Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will do trigonometry. The first part of trigonometry for class 10, ICSE class 10 is trigonometrical identities. Now we have done in class 9 the basic formulas of trigonometry. What are the basic formulas? Like sine theta, reciprocal of sine theta is cosec theta, cos theta, reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta, reciprocal of cot theta is cot theta. Again cot theta can be written as sine theta by cos theta, and cot theta can be written by cos theta by sine theta. Now there were three square formulas. What were the three square formulas? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. These formulas has to be learned by heart, not only by this formula. Like if you want to remember, it has to be like this: 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta, or sine square theta minus 1 is equal to minus cos square theta, secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So this way we have to learn the formulas. So please note down these formulas. With these formulas we will solve the numericals. Yes, the first numerical, sine theta into cot theta plus sine theta into cosec theta is 1 plus cos theta. Now we have to prove that. LHS, left hand side. What is left hand side? Sine theta. Cot theta can be written as cos theta by sine theta, plus what is here? Sine theta, and cosec theta can be written as sine theta. This gets cut, this gets cut. What we have here is cos theta plus 1, which is equals to RHS. Proved. Is it clear? The next numerical, 1 by 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 by 1 plus cot square theta is 1. Left hand side, 1 by 1 plus tan square theta can be written as secant square theta, plus 1 by cot square theta can be written as cosecant square theta. Again, this can be 1 by secant square theta is nothing but it is cos square theta, plus 1 by cosecant square theta is sine square theta, and we know sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 is equals to right hand side. Proved. Next question, sine 4 theta plus cos 4 theta plus 2 sine square theta cos square theta is 1. Here we know sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. We know this. Squaring both sides, because we need sine to the power 4. How will we get sine to the power 4? When sine square is squared, we get sine to the power 4. Therefore, as we know this formula, we have to square it to get sine to the power 4. So squaring both sides, what I get? Sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square is equals to 1 square. Now open up this, we get sine 4 theta plus cos 4 theta plus 2 sine square theta cos square theta is equals to 1, and this is what is your LHS, and this is what is equals to RHS. Proved. Clear? Is it understood? Next, cot square A minus 1 by sine square A plus 1 equals to 0. Left hand side, cot square A minus cosecant square A, because 1 by sine square is cosecant square A, plus 1. Yes. Now cot square A minus cosecant square A is minus 1, because we know 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosecant square theta. Therefore cot square theta minus cosecant square theta is equals to minus 1. From this formula, 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. Therefore cot square theta minus cosecant square theta is minus 1. So here cot square theta minus cosecant square theta is minus 1, plus 1, which is equals to 0, is RHS proved. Next numerical. 1 by 1 plus cos A plus 1 by 1 minus cos A is equal to 2 cosecant square A. Left hand side, 1 by 1 plus cos A plus 1 by 1 minus cos A. I take the LCM as 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Here it will be 1 minus cos A plus 1 plus cos A. This is equals to minus cos A plus cos A. 2 by A plus B into A minus B is 1 minus cos square A, which is equals to 2 by sine square A, because we know sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Therefore 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta. Clear? Then again we know this is equals to 2 cosecant square A, as 1 by cosecant theta is sine theta, reciprocal. Clear? And this is equals to your RHS, hence proved. Here I have used the formula A plus B into A minus B is equals to A square minus B square formula. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square, which is 1 minus cos square A. Next, 1 by sec A plus tan A plus 1 by sec A minus tan A is 2 secant A. How do we do this? Should we change this into these formulas, or we can just take the LCM? Let us take the LCM and do secant A into secant A plus tan A into secant A minus tan A. Yes. Then here we get secant A plus tan A plus secant A minus tan A plus secant A plus tan A. Now minus tan A plus tan A gets cancelled. What I get here is 2 secant A, and here A plus B into A minus B, A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. So here it becomes secant square A minus tan square A. This is equals to 2 secant A by 1, because 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Therefore, secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Therefore, the answer is 2 sec A, which is equals to RHS proved. The next numerical, sin A by 1 plus cos A is equals to 1 minus cos A by sin A. Left hand side. See, when we solve these identities, we always have to keep the right hand side in the mind. See, in the right hand side, I have got sin A, and the left hand side, I have only 1 plus cos A. So, from this, what I can do to get sin A? Sin A by 1 plus cos A. Now, what can I do so that I can get sin A? What I do is, I multiply and divide by 1 minus cos A on both sides. On the numerator, multiply and divide by 1 minus cos A. Clear? I have written this, multiply by 1 minus cos A on both the numerator and denominator. So here what I get is sin A into 1 minus cos A, and here again A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square, which means 1 minus cos square A, and that is the numerator sin A, 1 minus cos A, and 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. Here it is sin A, here it is sin square A. This gets cancelled, so what is left is 1 minus cos A by sin A, which is equals to your right hand side. Proved. Have you understood this? 1 minus cos square A, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. This square formulas. The next question, 1 minus tan square A whole divided by cot square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. I again said, when we do such identities, we always have to keep in mind the right hand side. In the right hand side, we can see there is only tan, but here on the left hand side there is cot. So let us change cot into tan and see. 1 minus tan square A by cot square A can be written as 1 by tan square A minus 1, which means 1 minus tan square A whole divided by, if I just take the LCM here as tan square A, I get here 1 minus tan square A, which is equals to 1 minus tan square A by 1 minus tan square A into this tan square will come up here into tan square A. This things gets cancelled here. We are left with tan square A, which is equals to RHS proved. Just let me clarify here. See, I got here A whole divided by B by C. If I take it like this, that means A divided by B by C, which means A into C by B. Is this clear, the division here? Is this the division clear here now? Next question. Sin A whole divided by 1 plus cos A is cosecant A minus cot A. Yes, left hand side. Sin A by 1 plus cos A. In the earlier numericals, what we said, let us as there is no denominator here, so I have to rationalize this. So I multiplied and divide by 1 minus cos A by 1 minus cos A. So this becomes sin A into 1 minus cos A by 1 minus cos square A. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. So this is sin A 1 minus cos A by sin square A. This 1 sin gets. Now what we have is 1 by cos A by sin A. This was the same as what we have done in the previous numerical. Now my right hand side says cosecant A minus cot A. So can I write this as 1 by sin A minus cos A by sin A? Can we write this? Like in a fraction, if we say 3 by 4, 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is equals to 4 by 5. So 4 by 5, or it can be written as 3 plus 1 by 5. So 3 plus 1 by 5 can be written as 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Similarly, 1 minus cos A can be written as 1 by sin A minus cos A by sin A. Therefore, 1 by sin A is cosecant A minus cos A by sin A is cot A, which is equals to your right hand side. Proved. The next, secant A minus 1 whole divided by secant A plus 1 is equals to 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Again I repeat, I always have to look at my right hand side and proceed with the left hand side. My right hand side is cos A, but there is no cos A, it's all secant A. So change secant A to cos A. So secant A can be written as 1 by cos A minus 1 whole divided by 1 by cos A plus 1. This can be written as, if I take cos A here, then 1 minus cos A whole divided by again cos A 1 plus cos A. Now this denominator gets cancelled out, so I get 1 by cos A by 1 plus. Have you understood this numerical? Again what I said, A by B whole divided by C by D means A by B divided by C by D, which means A by B into D by C. This is what I have done. Clear? And this is equals to your RHS, which is proved. Next question. Tan square theta is equals to secant theta minus 1 whole square, which is equals to 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Left hand side. Tan square theta. I know tan square theta is, we have the formula 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta, or tan square theta can be written as secant square theta minus 1. So it can be written as secant square theta minus 1 by secant theta minus 1 whole square. Again, secant square theta minus 1, secant square theta minus 1 can be written as a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b, 1 square. So this can be written as secant theta plus 1 into secant theta minus 1 by secant theta minus 1 whole square. This one gets cancelled with this, so I am left with secant theta plus 1 by secant theta minus 1, which was like your previous question. Secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta plus 1 by 1 by cos theta minus 1, which can also be written as like cos theta here, 1 plus cos theta whole divided by, again the LCM here is cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. This gets cancelled. Therefore, what I am left with is 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta, which is equals to your RHS proved. Next question. 1 plus tan square, 1 plus tan a whole square plus 1 minus tan a whole square is 2 secant square a. Yes, solving the left hand side, square the things, what I get? 1 plus tan square a plus 2 tan a, and from here 1 plus tan square a minus 2 tan a. Now 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Secant square a plus 2 tan a plus, again here 1 plus tan square is secant square a minus 2 tan a. This cancels, so what is left with? 2 secant square a is equals to right hand side. Proved. You must learn these formulas, these square formulas very well. If you do not know your square formulas, you cannot solve these problems. The next, secant square a plus cosecant square a is secant square a into cosecant square a. Here it is plus, here it is into. Now we know here it is 2 terms and here it is 1 term. How can we get 2 terms into 1 term? How can we convert 2 terms into 1 term? We can do this by taking the LCM. We can do this by taking the LCM. So here secant square, I do not know the LCM, so what I can do, I will change this left hand side, I will change this to 1 by cos square a, and here I will change by 1 by sin square a. Clear? So secant square a can be written as 1 by cos square a, cosecant square a can be written as 1 by sin square a. Now I take the LCM. So the LCM becomes cos square a into sin square a, and here it becomes sin square a plus cos square a. Now we know sin square a plus cos square a is 1. So which is 1 by cos square a into sin square a. Now converting this, taking this up, 1 by cos square a is secant square a into sin is cosecant square a, and that is your right hand side. Proved. Clear? So we'll go on with the next numericals, next few more numericals in my next video. Thank you. If you have any comments or doubts, please write in the comment box. I will reply back to you. Thank you.